Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how you can utilize Todoist to track your daily water intake. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to download Todoist from your App Store or Play Store. The reason we do this is because Todoist is a fantastic tool for tracking tasks, and in this case, your water intake. Once you have the app, open it up and create a new project. You can call it something like Daily Water Tracker. This helps us because it allows us to separate our water tracking from other tasks we might be tracking on Todoist. Now that we've done that, we need to create a new task for each glass of water you aim to consume daily. For example, if your goal is 8 glasses a day, create 8 tasks, each labeled "Drink a glass of water." The reason we do this is to make our tasks measurable and achievable. Each task represents a single glass of water, and you can check them off as you go throughout the day. Next up, you'll want to set each task to recur daily. This is done by typing "every day" in the date and time field. This sets the task to reset every day, so you always have your water goals in front of you. Let me explain why this matters. By setting these tasks to recur, we create a habit loop, which helps us maintain consistency in our water intake. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is keeping track of your completed tasks, and you can review your progress in the Activity section. This provides you with a visual representation of your commitment, and it can be very motivating to see your progress over time. Lastly, you can also set reminders for your tasks. This is especially useful if you tend to forget to hydrate throughout the day. Just click on the task, hit Remind Me, and choose a time. The app will then remind you to drink water at the chosen time. And there you have it. Now you have a practical, easy-to-use system for tracking your daily water intake using Todoist. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for your health and well-being, and this simple tool can make a big difference. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.